Step 1. Eligibility requirements. To qualify for a security worker license in Yukon, you must be at least 19, be legally entitled to work in Canada, pass a criminal record check, provide valid government ID, provide a recent passport-style photo. In Yukon, this is issued to you as an individual. It's portable, meaning you don't lose it if you change employers. Step 2. Required training. Yukon is unique. There's no mandatory training course or exam to get a security worker license. Some employers may require extra certifications like first aid or conflict de-escalation, but these are optional under Yukon law. Yukon has no exam requirement for security workers. Proof of completion is optional if you voluntarily take a security course. Links are in the description. Step 3. Complete your fingerprinting and background check. You must provide a criminal record check from the RCMP. This includes filling out the consent for the release of police information form and submitting it to your local detachment. You must submit a criminal record check through the RCMP or local police. Fingerprints are only required if a name match or identity confirmation is triggered. Bring valid ID and be ready to pay the fee, usually $25 to $75 depending on the type of record check. Step 4. Submit your application. You'll apply online through the Yukon Professional Licensing System or by submitting the PDF form. Required documents include government ID, passport-style photo, criminal record check, completed application form. The application fee is $10 per license class. Step 5. Cost breakdown. Here's what you can expect to pay in Yukon. The application fee is $10. Criminal record check and possibly a fingerprints check, $25 to $75. Any optional training you enlist in can be $100 to $300. The estimated total is between $50 to $300. For wages, the Canadian median for security guards is about $26.68 an hour according to the Canada Job Bank data. Yukon tends to be slightly higher due to cost of living. Step 6. License approval and delivery. Once approved, Yukon will notify you by email or through the licensing portal. You may need to print the license or carry a digital copy while on duty. Step 7. Renewal. Security worker licenses in Yukon must be renewed every year. Renewal costs $10 and you'll need a new criminal record check. Employers might remind you, but ultimately it's your responsibility. Step 8. Get hired and stay informed. With your Yukon license in hand, start applying for jobs. Check out GuardGuides.com and my Etsy page for useful digital tools. Join the community on r/GuardGuides on Reddit for job leads, tips, and industry discussion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Guard Guides, and be safe.